Alright y'all, welcome back to the video. Freaking jacked about today. We got something crazy going on. We're actually going to go look at a camper right now. I'm gonna catch you guys up really quick. I'm gonna be down here working with the old B-man. We're gonna get some stuff done. Not sure how long I'm gonna be here for, but I am moving down here, gonna making the trip back and forth from home so I can keep the girlie happy. How's it going, man? That's what we're gonna do today. We're literally driving out to go see this camper. I really don't know how big it is, what it really is so far. All I know is we're buying one for me to actually live in Braydon's backyard. So it's gonna be really cool. We're bringing all of the team, Christian, Tyler, they're all riding along. So it's gonna be pretty exciting. We're gonna load up in the truck. We're gonna go see this thing. What up, baby? Oh, this thing is freaking massive, y'all.
I can see down, but I can't see up.
Y'all are gonna be freaking shocked, dude.
Okay.
1, 2, 3.
You're buying a camper? Yeah!
Just did a quick little walk around on B's channel, and I'm gonna film a little better once we get it to the house, because we're buying this today, and we're gonna have power ran to it today. Exact, it's 39 feet 11 inches, but it's a 40-foot camper. 2016, y'all, it's freaking, I've lived in a couple campers, and this one is like, for 2016, for me, this is like a 2022. I mean, it is fully loaded. This is in B's family, it's their camper that we're buying, so we don't have a fifth wheel right now, so we're gonna actually get them to bring it to the house. Like I said, we're running power today. A lot of exciting stuff. Just wanted to give you guys a little view of it, of the way it sits right now. I'll see y'all once we get back to the house. I called one of Braydon's dad's friends, a great guy. He came out here and he marked everything, the yard, gas, Time Warner cable, everything, water. So we have all these lines spray painted in the grass right now so we can mark to try to get electrical ran out there and water. So that's what we're about to do now. I don't think we're gonna have power added today because realizing we have to hand dig a lot. Camper will be coming here today, but hopefully we'll get power ran tomorrow. But let's go ahead, once they get over here, roll the time lapse and let's get to work. On the phone with my transmission guy, RV's pulling in, I'm digging my ditch, lots going on, but it is now here. She's getting dropped off. We're guiding him into the backyard where my home's gonna be.
I was gonna say why not.
Y'all, so she's here, it is all set up, everything's checking out good, we got it all level, the camper has stuck its ground. Get back to work so we can run some power and some water back here. There's a lot going on. Y'all, since yesterday I've been digging this freaking trench and it's been not gonna lie, it's whooping my ass. Last thing I gotta do is just find this water line. I'm at least 3.5 foot deep and I still can't find it. Without the water line, we don't have water. We're ready to go all this way, not to give up, you know, we gotta find it. So let me just show you guys what I got going on. Dug this trench all the way around and it keeps going, wraps around the house. I'm paying the butt, but I'm not giving up on this video. I'm not giving up on you guys. So we're grabbing the camera when honestly, guys, I'm honest with you. I don't even feel like recording right now. I'm so hot, I'm so tired, but that's what it is. I know you guys are gonna enjoy these shots. So now I have to go all the way. It's 325 feet that we've dug, or machined a little bit of it, but I gotta go back through now and clean all those ditches out so we can lay this pipe. So let's roll the time lapse. Waiting to do this at the very last, but water line should be somewhere in that trench that is 3 foot. You can see we have our line marked and we still can't find it. So it'll be the last thing. I'm jumping in the shower and I will pick y'all back up tomorrow. All right, y'all, good morning. Super early. We got some overcast, a little bit of rain.
Hey.
Hey.
You know what this is?
What's that?
It's a rake. You know what you do with a rake?
What do you do?
You move dirt. You need it?
No.
Uh-huh. Okay.
Braydon just said what we gotta do. We have to backfill everything today. We done ran power and water to the camper. Home's looking great.
Home? Yes, sir!
She is looking good as can be. Braydon, give me a little demonstration of what we gotta do today.
A lot of this. A lot of it.
Good old backfill.
350 feet worth?
Yeah.
350 foot of trench? That's fun.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
So that's what we gotta do, and we have to finish our other project today. So we got 2 things we gotta work on. All this stuff is being timed for schedule, and so we gotta get moving. Ain't much to do except roll this time lapse. Moved all the dirt, y'all. It's been a pain in the freaking ass. Even when we get done with the dirt, you gotta pack it. It drops about 2 inches, have to go back and refill it. There's holes everywhere around the yard. We're just doing so much. I'm actually leaving today, so we have 2 projects we have to wrap up. Guys, we've done these projects both in like a couple of days. I mean, we have absolutely been busting tails, so If you guys are sticking around to this far of the video, I appreciate it. Like and subscribe, leave a comment. But overall, right now, we have freaking power and water running to the camper, aka my home. I haven't seen it with any of the lights or the AC or nothing, so let's go check it out. We're behind the camper right now. We have our power ran, and the best part, our water. As soon as you walk in, guys, like I said, we just ran all of our power and water in here. This living room is massive. I mean, literally, and it's the overhead space too. I've lived in a camper before, and when the ceiling is like right here, you feel cluttered. Starting off, we have a full-size refrigerator. It's called full size, like it's bigger than a mini fridge, but like compared to a house refrigerator, I know it's like probably half, but still it's a lot of room. A lot of storage above here. We have a full-size microwave, oven, the countertop, TV. This fireplace actually puts out heat. It's got a blower motor in it. Freezing cold AC. It's like 67 in here right now. A lot of good cabinets up there. This couch I think pulls out. B's gonna use this for like Busco and stuff when I won't be in it. So if it sleeps like 8 people, I mean you can't beat that. These recliners right here pull out, super comfortable. This is like a Highway 55 dining room table right here. It's like it feels like you're at a restaurant. All of these windows open up. They have screens on them. All the lights are so pretty. Full fan. Our thermostat, like I said, it's bumping cold AC in here. Walk into this room. These can actually be folded up, but this sleeps 2 people, and like you can even have an office in here. You never know what we can do with it. Another little cabinet space, you can throw some stuff, another TV. This thing right here, you can actually ask it questions, and like it shows you, turn it on.
Like Siri.
Yeah, like Siri, and it's all touchscreen. I mean, really ask it anything and it tells you about the camper. Your more controls right here. As soon as you walk up these stairs, size shower, sink, toilet, whole 9 yards. This is the master bedroom. It came with a memory foam on it. Nice little decorative background. This AC unit in here blows the coldest air. I mean, it feels very nice. And in here we have, I just laid down in here for B's video. It's got a hookup for a washer and dryer. I mean, I actually lay down and could sleep in here. It's like sleeping on this couch inside. Little mini TV right there. And we have a full-size dresser. There's a lot of storage in here too for whatever you want to put in there. So, let's just back up. Now we're outside. I really didn't get to show you guys everything about like what it offers on the outside. So, in total length, it's 39 foot 11 inches. Might as well round up to 40. It's pretty massive. Over here, you kind of have like your outdoor kitchen. It's one of the cool features it comes with.
Beer fridge.
Oh yeah. Got your little latch right here. Have this little latch right here for the refrigerator, like Garrett said, the old beer fridge. Some more little storage right here. It has an outdoor light. And you can honestly put anything in here. I mean, it's whatever you want to do with it. This big awning is actually controlled. It's all electric. It folds in, folds out, and this is going to be great for, I might put me a little grill out here, a little patio, you never know, some lawn chairs. In here you have a bunch of big storage. We threw a lot of stuff in here already, but this actually connects to the other side. There's another compartment over there. Outdoor speakers, like I said, the radio's inside, so you can just do inside, you can do outside, and you can do both, which is pretty badass. In here, there's 2 batteries. If it's plugged up to the truck, it's charging constantly. Like if you didn't have power, you can run it. I don't know how well it's gonna work, but you can run this with those batteries. More storage right there. I already showed you guys we hooked up the water and the power. And I mean, yeah, there's a lot more stuff to probably be shown, but for the gist of it, that's about it. And with all that full package, that's plenty for me and B. So like I said, that's about it, guys. I'm super freaking jacked to be coming up here and working and having my own place in B's backyard. It's awesome, and you guys really enjoyed that last video when we just pretty much redid his whole entire yard. Keep up the support, guys. Leave a like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you guys want to see next. Like I said, we have like 3 projects going on right now, and we're constantly going to be doing that type of stuff. So if you're pretty jacked up about that, like I said, leave a comment. That's all I got for y'all. I'm actually heading back home. Like I said, we have to fix some transmission issues, then my butt's gonna be back up here. So with that being said, y'all, appreciate you watching Lip and Bass TV.